Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Store error code solved. First method is click Start, Settings, click Troubleshoot, click Other Troubleshooters. Click Run under Windows Store Apps. Second method is type WSreset in Windows search bar, click WSreset. Third method is click Start, Settings, click Apps, click Apps and Features. Type Store in App List, click Advanced Options. Click Repair and Reset. Fourth method is type CMD in Windows search bar, right-click Run as Administrator. Type ipconfig /flush DNS. Type ipconfig /register DNS. Type ipconfig /release. Type ipconfig /renew. Type net sh winsock reset. Exit and restart system. Fifth method is open any browser. Type Windows 11 download in browser search bar. Click Download Windows 11. Click Download now. Click Accept. Click Next. Click Next. Click Accept. Check Install Windows 11 and also check Keep Personal Files and Apps. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.